Abacima imlilo basebenze ngokuzikhandla bezama ukucima lo mlilo oshiye abane babo belimele. Namhlanje baphoqeke ukuthi basebenze zingekho izindiza ezicima umlilo ngenxa yomoya onamandla. Lo mlilo ucekele phansi esinye isakhiwo eNyuvesi yaseKapa waphoqa ukuthi kukhishwe ngokusheshsha abafundi.
Izinto zethu eziyaziphayana andulahlekelwa kwethu phayana asikwazi ukuphinda sikwazi ufunda because kusafuneka siqale phansi.
Ngoba kuthiwa kuyatsha yonke yena leqa iikhamera zami into ezibalulekileyo ndaleqa nencwadi into zofunda.
Kuboshwe owesilisa oneminyaka engama-35 nokubikwa ukuthi uyathinteka ekuthungeleni lomlilo. Iziphathimandla zithi onogada bakule ndawo babone amadoda amathathu ebasa umlilo izolo batshela abakwasidlodlo okwamanje kusaphenywa.
Jointly UCT, the City of Cape Town Province, the residents, jointly we will overcome the shock. It's a major shock right in our backyard, but I think we do have the resilience needed in us to overcome this issue.
Babalelwa emakhulwini amathathu abacima imlilo abebesebenza ukubhula lo mlilo bebelekelelwa izinhlangano iVolunteer Wildlife Service, iWorking on Fire kanye neSunPark.
We've seen destruction as Mosters Mill has now gone up in flames, a couple of residents as well, mostly with thatch roof, and one firefighter got injured and was taken to a nearby hospital.
Indawo iWalmer Estates kanye neUpper Frederick ziqashwe ngeso lokhozi uma kuba nesidingo sokuthi kususwe abantu futhi kuzo. Indiza yombutho wezokuvikela nayo imi ngomumo ukusiza okwamanje isamisiwe ngenxa yomoya onamandla.